He's right behind me, isn't he? I knew it. Just trying to be still. I don't think it's working.
Okay. All jokes aside, I want to say thank you to everyone. I can't even express to you how grateful I am for, everyone in the community, everything everybody does. I'm so thankful, so glad to be a part of this community and to be able to serve it. I'm going to go through a couple of updates in this video that I've already filmed. This is a post-production type thing. I'm going to go over some updates. There's a ton more coming, but I'm just going to highlight some of the bigger things that everybody's been asking for. And then we'll go over what will be the more robust stack of updates on a call tomorrow, which I will send out the link for. And it should give you a good idea of what all of this crazy updates have been about. And then hopefully we'll put us at the very, very top of what is AI, not only just in the industry, but Go High Level. So thank you, everybody. I hope that you enjoy some of the updates that you're going to see. Thanks. All right, the much awaited update. So I'm going to give you a teaser here, and then we're going to have a town hall tomorrow, Tuesday, June 4th, to go over everything that's going to be in the update. I'm going to post it in the school group. If you're not in the school group, I'll attach a link there, and I'll send this out in text and email, and I'll also post this on YouTube too. So first off, I want to thank everyone for everything that you do. I'm so glad to work with each and every single person who's on the platform. We are the 6th most installed plugin for GoHighLevel ever, and #1 in the conversation tab as well. So super cool stuff. I'm very proud of the community. I'm very proud of what we built here. So enough with the sappy stuff. Let's get into the teaser of what is this update. And it's going to be a lot of things that have been asked for over the couple months, and then a refresh for a lot of the infrastructure, such as chat, voice, and transient voice, which is the international voice, to almost be completely break-proof, and also have a lot more robust functionalities on top of the ones that we already have to do more unique use cases and to cater to your clients even better. So let's go ahead and hop into a teaser here. So I'm just at the dashboard. You'll notice some stuff change as this comes out, a little bit UX UI change, but #1 thing is support. So now instead of just having the chat widget, which injects a chat widget into your client portal, all right, we're going to have a documentation tab. So right now you see this where it's just iframing documentation in, but what we're going to do is we're actually going to have an AI-powered document builder. So you come in here, you'll be able to create documentation with AI, scraping your website, telling it what you want, and be able to create documentation that's hosted internally for your client so that they can go there in their client dashboard in this documentation tab, and then have all custom documentation built by you along with the other support stuff that we have inside the portal. Now, the other big thing is rebilling. So I've already went through all the steps to set mine up. So all you do is you connect a Stripe account. It's going to ask you to create the account, everything like that. Once you get here, you'll have a dashboard where you'll be able to see all your MRR, all your metrics, everything like that. Your unconverted clients versus your converted ones. You'll be able to see all those analytics here. And then you'll be able to come in here and create pricing plans. And you'll be able to set the tier. For example, I can go here. I can say Pro Plan. Let's make the Pro Plan $197, and this is for voice and chat AI, because we already have a chat AI plan over here. Let's double this up, 1215. Let's give them 120 minutes. And this will include both. So let's go ahead and create this plan. So now I have 2 active plans here. I can turn them on or off, and I can see how many people are subscribed to both. Those will all be in your analytics as well. So now when a client comes here, I don't have rebilling on, so nothing's going to happen. So maybe I can go, let's go here, and then I'm going to go here and I'm going to turn rebilling on. So rebilling is now active. So now as a user in the sub account, I'm going to go click here, and now when I open up my portal inside of GoHighLevel, I'll be prompted with the plans that I just created here. You see these 2, it gives me the metrics, chat included, voice included, the metrics that come along with it, and then the price. And then they'll be able to pay directly from here. They'll be able to go into their own Stripe account. They'll be able to check out and pay directly to you. Look at this. So I signed up under Assistable.ai, but everything will be white labeled. Everything will be good to go in here. As that loads, we'll just go back. Let me turn off rebilling, and we are good to go. Now, rebilling for not only your internal clients, but also your external clients too. Those on the enterprise plan who have external deployments, you'll be able to do this with your external clients to be able to rebill for these plans to them. All right. Also with this, we'll be coming with the voice plans. This will be by minutes. We'll go ahead and we have now the data for what that'll cost. So we'll be able to actually bring the prices down globally on what those plans will be, and we'll just do it by minute tiers. You'll pay for your minutes, and then you'll have minutes to allocate to your sub accounts based off of that. A couple other things, integrations and all have moved here. Easy enough to just come in here and manage all of your stuff in one place. And the same thing for the sub account themselves too. They'll have all of their billing information, everything in here. The sub accounts will now log in. Now that we're dealing with sensitive payment information at the sub account level, the sub accounts will now have to log in, but that also gives us a lot of freedom, especially since GoHighLevel has a hard time passing cookies to an application that creates temporary users, which is how that works. So with them logging in, we'll be able to have a lot more robust data and be able to clean this up a lot too. So now under the Assistance Builder, don't mind all of this crazy stuff. This is the new Assistance Builder. So all in one page, select your model, optimize it however you want. You'll notice it's all the same stuff like model, tools, calendars, knowledge base settings, tags, triggers, campaigns, verbiage. You'll notice a few new things in there. So with the model, you'll be able to fine tune the things that you weren't before, which is going to be things like the temperature, the top P, everything that's important to fine tuning a model for those who are really, really into it. Tools are the same as before. It'll be calendar management, creating notes, creating tasks, self-scheduling, enrolling in workflows, adding and removing tags, custom value extraction, all the stuff that's in there, plus some more stuff like appointment confirmation, and a few other things that I'm going to throw in there. And then you notice the verbiage there, not calendar, but calendars. We'll also have multi-calendar booking based on a description of what the calendar is. For example, if you're a med spa and you have different calendars for different services, we'll be able to go in there. You'll tell us under what condition to book that calendar, and then we'll be able to book that calendar dynamically based on the conditions. Also with that, you'll set a default calendar, so if those conditions don't necessarily fit the criteria that you've given us, we can at least default to one of them and be able to send a note alongside that if that is the case. Triggers, so if something happens in GoHighLevel, for example, you add a contact, something moves in the pipeline, anything like that, you tell us what you want us to do, what to trigger this AI, and we will automatically send it out to outreach with a message that you've preferred to put in there, or we can do an AI generated message. So a couple new things in here is going to be included in here, and you'll be able to test directly. The same thing for flows and everything, just like normal, but it's a more redacted structure to build AI in a more robust way. And for those who say, well, I don't want to build AI, I don't love building AI, and I don't want to teach people how to build AI. Totally fine. We're actually going to have a new AI builder where you give us a description of what you want. You tell us what calendar and things like that, and then we will go ahead and build your assistant using AI so that you don't have to go through the tedious work of trying to prompt engineer. We'll just do it for you with our fine-tuned trained models. Easy enough. A couple other things that you'll see coming your way is going to be under the management. So we go to the sub account here, and you see a couple things that are inside of it. We'll have a do not call check, things like that for, if you're in a regulated industry. The other thing is voice AI. So we're going to get a little bit more robust with the voice AI. So now voice AI on outbound is great. Inbound comes with the problem of creating a contact and things. We'll have all of that figured out. So inbound and outbound will be super, super robust. We're also going to add a few more actions in there for you. So it's going to be things like extracting contact information and pushing it to the contact and GoHighLevel. That'll be great for inbound calls. And then we'll also have the custom function builder for those who are really into building and who want to build unique aspects, unique tools for their clients to use. We'll have we'll actually have a tool builder for you. So the same way you would build a function in an Assistance API, we'll have a really, really easy version of a tool builder so that you can go in there and connect with outside systems. There's a lot more here, but I just kind of want to give a short teaser. I know this is still 8 minutes, but a lot of fun stuff. And I wanted to just say thank you to everyone, for being a part of this journey. I know, we're always trying to be on the edge of innovation, and that comes with its pros and cons. So I just want to thank everyone, whether you're watching this on YouTube, whether you're a part of the community now, or whether you've been with us for a very, very long time, I want to genuinely say thank you for all of your support, and I hope everything here is what you're looking for. There's a ton more coming, but like I said, I try not to make these too long. So I hope everyone has an amazing Monday. We will connect tomorrow, Tuesday, to go over all the new updates and get started. Thanks so much.